What's up, YouTubers? Hello. I know that I have taken a really long time to come back on YouTube, roughly around a month, I would say. But I bring good news, and I'm sure your wait will be worth it. So, welcome to my channel, Pariculture Studios. That's right, you must be wondering, wasn't it 50% Angel? And what is Pariculture Studios? So let me just explain why I had to make this shift and why it took me so long to come back on screen. Firstly, 50% Angel was not really doing justice to the kind of interests that I have. So I wanted to channel each of my talent slash interest in a better way. Hence, I came up with Pariculture Studios, which is basically the culture that I will be spreading, things that I like, things that I like to make and share with you guys. So I'm really excited to bring a lot of new content for you, a lot of good content for you. And studios, as you must have heard, it's a plural term because about a month ago approximately, during the lockdown, I came up with this idea to kind of channelize each of my interests and talents in one particular direction, which I will be calling a studio. So for example, I have recently started gaining an interest in home baking, which is my mother's business, and I'm trying to bring it here to the city I stay in, which is Mumbai. Apart from that, food is generally something that I'm really interested in. Like, I like to make food, I like to make like delicious recipes and like share it with you guys, as you may have already seen. So I'm going to be coming up with something known as a food studio, which is dedicated entirely, like there will be one day that will be dedicated entirely to food, and I will explain what that one day means in a bit. This is the reason why I came up with these with studios in plural, because I have a lot of studios that I want to cover under Pariculture Studios, and the other one is going to be my art studio, which is basically all arts and crafts that interest me, things that appeal to me. I'm going to be bringing forth to you through my art studio. There are a couple of other studios that I just want to introduce a little bit later in the video. So there you go, Pariculture Studios, and I'm very excited to bring this concept in front of you because it is something new for me, and at the same time it is quite challenging and exciting. So next month, which is August, and from August 3rd to be precise, I will be starting to air more episodes weekly, which is like 4 videos per week. So on Monday there's going to be like a food studio, something to do with food. On Tuesdays it's going to be an art studio where I'm going to showcase, actually I can tell you this much, like in the month of August the theme is basically polymer clay, and I'm going to be showing you things that you can do with polymer clay throughout the month. Then on Thursday there's going to be a self-help studio where you can pamper yourself at home, like a salon care thing at home. That is my theme for the month of August. And finally, the entertainment studio is going to be pure Tales of Vishita, which I have been loving in the past 2 months that I have actually aired 5 episodes till now, and I've just loved every bit of it because I love that girl. So a big shout out to her parents, Kartika and Nitin. Thank you so much for sending me her videos so I could like entertain everybody else and you guys as well. And I hope, Ishita, when you're watching this, when you grow up, when you're watching this, you will not come after me with an axe. So I'm trying to come up with a couple of more studios in the near future. That would be a month or so from now. But yes, I just want you guys to support me and share the love. Also, yes, I forgot. I'm coming up with individual social media pages for Pariculture Studios. That would be on Facebook, Instagram, and oops, my light just went out. So that would be for Facebook, Instagram, and I'm trying to come on Pinterest as well because it is a very good platform to get some really good references in terms of photography and stuff. So soon I plan to like start off with Pinterest, but for now Facebook and Instagram is going to be it. I'm going to share the links to from my YouTube channel on there, and I hope you guys go there and like me as well. From 3rd August, the first episode that airs, you will be getting the link to my social media pages in the description box below. Okay, I've been talking for a lot. Let me think. Oh yes, one last thing. For each of my studios, I'm going to be starting out individual hashtag for each of them, and what they are you will know on the first episode when it airs. So whenever you share the video, right, just put in that hashtag for me, please. Just put in that hashtag and forward it, and yeah, share the love. I mean, I am really excited right now, so I'm not sure if you can see it on my face or if I look exhausted because I've been doing a lot of things, and if I do, I'm really sorry. I'll be better, but I'm going to be meeting y'all more often than I did before. Like almost every video I will be there initially, like trying to give you a small guide throughout that video. And yes, I hope that you guys share the love, and I'm looking forward to Pariculture Studios. I hope you are too. I will see you soon. Bye. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, cut.